Okay, Domino's pizza came up quick. How do they look? How do they look? Oh! All right.
This is like asking for diabetes.
What do you mean?
Putting this icing on top of a lava cake.
And then it came with the icing. So what you do is you dip your fork in.
Please stop.
And then get into the lava cake.
Mmm.
How's the...
Getting that crunch. 100%.
Okay.
Mm.
Is it everything or what is it?
Give me a second. Let me think about it. It's pretty good.
With the icing, it tastes identical to the chocolate cereal.
Brave?
The Oreo cereal.
Oreo O's?
Oreo O's. Identical.
It does taste like Oreo O's.
No, it's actually the same. Like not crispy though, like very.
No, it's pretty good, honestly. Not like the carnival melting cake, if any of you guys have had that.
We screwed up. We did not get any water or milk.
I know. I was thinking that.
We really screwed the pooch.
We're gonna go drink in the shower.
We're pretty close to Flint. We gotta be careful. Should I cut that? These are good. I've never had these.
Neither have I, but I just acted like I knew what I was talking about.
Wow, I would have thought you had them. Based on your confidence.
I know. You can get anywhere with confidence in a clipboard.
And a high vis is best. And a ladder. Any of those things.
A ladder? I haven't seen that one.
I've seen it on YouTube. This is what we call a gut bomb. From my old friend. He used to say it.
10.
Oh wow.
What is this for?
Epic crash out incoming. Honestly, those are a 10 out of 10.
They're not too sweet. Like,
Those are a 10 out of 10.
no, these are good.
I'm down for those. I wouldn't eat more than like 3 of them by yourself. You'd be dead.
Yeah. Well, they're not like overpoweringly sweet.
Like we'll probably split that third one.
Maybe not.
If we had a glass of milk, we could probably eat 3 or each. But we're like, What are you doing with that?
I'm gonna go find ice.
What's the ice for?
Put it in your mouth.
Wait, hang on, I'm coming. Whoa.
Oops.
It's probably down here. It's probably not. If it's not here. You found it. Oh my god. I actually didn't think there would be. Oh my god. And then the drink machine is out. Hold it under there.
You press the button.
Aw, Amelia always loved to get ice.
The ice is just to distract us from the tap water taste.
Oh, that actually probably works. It's probably good logic. Should I go ask?
Yeah, you should actually.
See if they have a little glass.
See if they have free little cartons of milk. I'm assuming that from the empty-handed comeback. Well, here's how we're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna take this, and we're gonna fill it with ice, and then we're gonna go fill it with sink water.
By the time you get this sorted out, we're gonna be dead.
What do you mean?
It's like 15 minutes we've been working on this.
Think I'm gonna die from this?
No, you're gonna be good. How is it? Whoa, what was that?
I don't know.
We can have more? We're done.
We have milk powder.
Damn, our YouTube video editor is gonna be busy.
I just wanted some milk.
Unbelievable how much this tastes like Oreos. Unbelievable.
Identical.
Exactly. There's crispiness and everything on the outside.
I do like the crispiness on the outside. What if they have a carton of milk tomorrow?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for tomorrow's video about weight loss and health. Because you are what you put in your body, guys.
Edit that out. I don't want people to sexualize me.
I'm not editing anything out. It's gonna take too long.
No.
I'm publishing it raw.
You cannot, actually.
Ew.
What?
Want this?
Those ain't some ranch pickles.
Let's be done. Please. Turn it into a mukbang now? I'm not following that up with a dilly ranch pickle.
It's good. A sus combo you guys would not think would be good.
Hey, then can I sing stuff like that, or will it mod it out?
We could probably sing.
Finish the rating.
100% purchasing again.
100% buy
Like,
again.
would go back and buy.
Yeah.
We'll be back paying.
What if we just do recommend or don't recommend?
Oh, that's so much better.
Domino's, do it.
Go.
Get the lava cakes.
Get the lava cakes, and they're not pricey either.
$9 for the 3.
Put in code Zach is C 25.
There's actually no codes. Sorry. Hold on. Bye, guys.